How to enable two-factor authentication on Coinbase wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to set up two-factor authentication on your Coinbase wallet account. So for that case, you have to first of all go and log in into your Coinbase wallet account. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. And while you're on this page, go to your gear icon from the bottom left hand side corner, and on this interface, all you have to do is just go to security, and here you'll be able to find this option as two-factor authentication or 2FA. Go ahead and press on it, and accordingly sometimes you might be asked to go ahead and install the Authenticator app, or else you might not be needing to install the following application. You can simply go ahead and set up a two-factor authentication, and then you'll have successfully enabled the two-factor authentication or secure your Coinbase wallet. So in that way, you can enable two-factor authentication on your Coinbase wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.